Good evening, Rahul. As first of all, as a Tamilian, I apologize to every other Indian for the rants and abuse that has been thrown by people from my state and other leaders from the south towards my brothers and sisters in the north. It's really, I'm ashamed. That's the first word that comes to me. And for all those, let me be very unequivocal, for all those who are creating this division, north and south, for all those who are abusing people from the north, people from the east and the west as Gaumutra drinkers, I'm sorry, the only thing lower than their credibility is their intelligence. I want to show you something. I hope you can see this bottle.
Yes.
This is Nandini. This is Nandini.
Rahul, can I intervene?
One second, let him finish, sir. He never interrupted you. Let him finish.
No. See, there is a
Below this, Rahul.
Just 1 minute. Let him come. Let him finish. I'll come to you. No problems. Let him finish. Let's show him the courtesy. Yes, Dr. Ranganathan. Yes, this label.
This is Nandini and this is Bhumi. These are Gaumutras that are sold by the Tirupati temple. This is the Devasthanam board website. It is selling this Gaumutra. I want to ask these dregs of the DMK, will they condemn the Tirupati holy shrine from selling Gaumutra? Condemn if you have the guts. Condemn it. Let me just give you the facts, Rahul. Number one, BJP governed Karnataka until recently. Is Karnataka next to Kashmir? BJP is the present government in Pondicherry. Is Pondicherry next to Punjab? BJP has doubled its vote share in Telangana. Are all those people who voted for BJP illiterate and Gaumutra drinkers in Telangana? BJP's Ramana Reddy has defeated the sitting Chief Minister KCR and the Congress Chief Revanth Reddy. The people who voted for him are illiterate Gaumutra drinkers. BJP has the highest number of MPs in the south compared to any other party. Number two, BJP has won, as you said, in Mizoram, 92% literacy in those two constituencies. 94% to 96% are Christian. So have the Mizo people suddenly turned into cow worshipping, Gaumutra drinking, Shakha attending, illiterate Hindutva bigots? Who are these people? कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं? Number three, the north is communal and the south is not. Have we forgotten the Ovaisis and their rants about 15 minutes और ये कर देंगे वो कर देंगे? How many seats did they get in Telangana? Did they not get 7 seats? Have we forgotten the DMK comments on Sanatan Dharma? Is that not communal? 4. The fact is, Rahul, that Hindu phobia pays. What the DMK leader said today, the Congress has echoed before and gotten away with it. Recall how Mahila Congress leader Lavanya Balal made the same Gaumutra jibe as the Pulwama bomber. Remember the statement by Congress leader Jarkioli that Hindu is a dirty meaning and Indians should be ashamed of it? And who did Rahul Gandhi meet recently on his Bharat Toro Yatra? Yes, the virulently anti-Hindu pastor George Punaiya, who told him, quote, Jesus is the real God, not Shakti. Then there is Shivraj Patil, who claimed Lord Krishna taught jihad to Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita. Then an alleged post by a Congress youth wing leader Shaukat Ali called Hinduism a terrorist religion. Recently a Goa Congress leader Jalmi termed Hindu god Parshurama a terrorist and a rapist. 5. The problem is transgressors get away, Rahul. If you ask me the textbook definition of a banana republic, I would say it is a republic where the Supreme Court stays silent on blatant violation of its own order. It has been exactly 3 months since Udayanidhi Stalin wanted to eradicate Sanatan Dharma. 3 months since the Tamil Nadu government has been in direct contempt of the Supreme Court order of April that said states should immediately file cases in instances of hate speech. And yet nothing has been done either by the state or the Supreme Court. I can only infer that the eradication of Hinduism, comparing it to dreadful incurable diseases, calling it a menace upon the world, is not construed as hate speech by the Supreme Court. In which case, it begs the question, why did it so ruthlessly come down on Nupun Sharma for merely quoting holy texts and infer it to be hate speech? Finally, 6. If a BJP minister had said what Stalin has about another religion, there will be a civil war by now. But Hindus are easy to abuse because they don't abuse transgressors. Finally, you remember Kamal Hassan saying Tamilians are not Hindus? Well, would I be accused of body shaming if I comment on the pitiful size of his cranium? No one is revered more by us Tamilians than Lord Kartikeya or Muruka. And who is he? Son of Lord Shiva. And what did he do? He is said to have invented our language, protected our language. Tamilians won't exist without Tamil, and Tamil won't exist without Muruka, son of Shiva. And you know, finally, just 10 seconds around, what Muruka means? Mu is Mukunda or Vishnu, Ru is Rudra or Shiva, and Ka is Kamala or Brahma. Now, if this, the Trinity, is in the core of Hinduism, I don't know what is. So, Mr. Sarvanan, you need to go back, not only read history, but go back and join nursery and then start from there.